If I had a cookie for every time someone said, just follow your passion, I would have type 2 diabetes and be running a bakery called Crushed Dreams and Cupcakes. Seriously, we have been sold this magical idea that passion is hiding somewhere, like under a rock or behind the fridge. Let me introduce you to David. David was on a mission, a 5-year spiritual quest to find his passion. He tried everything: painting, dropshipping, a podcast, but nothing stuck, unless you count disappointment. Then one day, David had a moment of clarity. Not during meditation, he was actually brushing his teeth. He asked himself, what if I stop chasing passion and just follow what I'm curious about? Boom, game changer. David liked explaining things, so he started tutoring a couple of students. That led to recording videos to explain concepts. That led to building a small course. That led to a full-on online academy. And guess what? He loves it, not because he found passion, but because he built it, bit by bit, like Lego, but with fewer foot injuries. Here's the twist. Passion isn't a treasure you find, it's a flame you build. It grows after you show up, after you get a little better, after people start saying, hey, you're kind of good at that. But we're all sitting around waiting for a lightning bolt. When will the universe give me a sign? Spoiler, the universe is probably watching Netflix. It's on season 4 of Game of Thrones and not answering emails. Stop waiting for a divine calling. Start with what you like, what you're kinda okay at, what you're curious about, and then passion will RSVP later. So the next time someone tells you to find your passion, tell them you're building it like a boss. Thanks for watching The Growth Theory. If this video gave you a little aha moment, show some love. Hit like, drop a comment. What are you curious about right now? Share this with a friend who's still waiting for their passion to send a postcard. Stay awesome. Take care. See you in the next video.